Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start dropshipping from Shein to Shopify. Now, I've been doing dropshipping for a very long time, and Shein is a new e-commerce website. It's like AliExpress, and they all like do the exact same steps with different names, with different brand names like AliExpress and Alibaba, Shein. A lot of Chinese e-commerce websites, they all have the same marketing strategy. They all just you just target different people with their e-commerce websites. Like Shein, they focus more on clothes and makeup, like things that are related to people, like young people. That's exactly how Shein targets their audience, okay, their customers exactly. So what you need to do, guys, to dropship from Shein to Shopify, all you need to do, guys, is you want to first of all, you want to just log in into your Shopify store. Okay, that's the first step. Okay, now after you log into your Shopify store, you want to download an app that will help you guys do dropshipping from Shein to Shopify. With like, I'm going to tell you guys the name of the app. Just click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, that's the first step, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now after that, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right, and then you want to search for import. Okay, Importify, that's the name of the app. As you can see, it says here free trial available. Keep in mind, this is a paid app. Okay, you will have to pay for it. You will have to pay for it each month, but it has a free trial, so that you can try it and see if you like it or not. If you don't like it, there are a lot of apps. So like I said, this app is paid, and there is an app that is free, which is Robo. Now this app also has a free trial. As you can see, the Importify app has free trial, but it doesn't allow you to use free trial until you add your credit card information, and you have to pay $2 or $1 first, okay, to use this free trial. I don't know why they are doing this, but most of the time this is going to happen on all apps on Shopify App Store. For some reason, like, they want to charge you guys before you use the app. Now there is an app, it's called Robo. This app is free, it has a free trial too, but you can use it immediately without paying. Okay, now as you can see, I'm going to click on install. Just open the app. It's called Robo Product Importer. Okay, this is the name of the app. Now you want to download this extension. It will take you guys to the Robo's website, and you click on get extension, click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. And here, what you guys need to do next, you want to click here this extensions button here icon, and you want to pin the extension. Click on this pencil button, click this pencil icon here. I don't know the name of it. Anyway, just pin it. Now after you pin, guys, as you can see, I'm sorry. So after, guys, you pin the extension in the top, you want to go to Shein, okay, and then you want to start importing products. Now, for example, let's say that I want to import, for example, this product. As you can see here, now you just need to open the product. Okay, you have to be on the product page, and then you want to click on the extension in the top right. It's called Robo Air. Click on add to Chrome. I'm sorry, add to store. Here, as you can see, add to Shopify. Okay, after, guys, you click on add to Shopify, it says here processing. You just need to wait a few seconds, and it will take you guys to the Robo's website so that you can import this exact product to your own Shopify store. Now I don't know why this is taking so long. Maybe it's downloading all these pictures. That's the reason why it's taking so long. All right, now just wait. Now the problem with the Robo app, it cannot make this process automatic. So if you want, guys, to pay for the Importify app like I showed you at the beginning, you have to use it. Okay, I already made a video about how you can use Importify. I paid for that app because I'm using it. So it's a good app because you can make this system automatic, like you can fill full orders automatically. You can also check all the orders on the dashboard of your Importify app. Okay, so that's exactly why I don't know, probably there is an error here. So I'm just going to go with another product. Probably this product has I'm going to import this product. Okay, like I said, click on the extension in the top right and wait a few seconds. As you can see, now it will take you guys to the Robo's website. Now what you guys need to do, You can change for example, you can add the price here. For example, I'm going to add $15.25, and the price on the product is $3. You can also increase the price so that you can make some profit. Like I said, this is just to import the product. Okay, this is just to import the product from Robo to Shein to Shopify. Now the problem with this app is it doesn't let you import pictures. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on here where it says import and click on add product to Shopify, and you will find this exact product on your Shopify but without pictures. If you click now on product, as you can see, this is the product. As you can see, like the description is imported, the description is imported, as you can see here, and also the pictures of the description. But the problem is the product pictures, it doesn't do that because this is a free app. Okay, you have to expect this from free apps. As you can see, it says here, use robot to effortlessly import products from any website to your Shopify store. But with consistently changing e-commerce sites, the product data imported might not be accurate. So the problem with from Shein to Shopify using Robo is it doesn't download the pictures. But what you need to do, guys, you just need to download an extension that will let you download images from Shein. Okay, or you can just click on the images and click here, right click and then click on save. Okay, if it doesn't allow you, what you guys need to do instead, you want to go and click on download Shein images on Google and download this extension. Okay, this extension, it's called Shein image downloader. Click on it, click on add extension, make sure again to pin the extension in the top. Okay, now after you pin it in the top, you want to go back to the product page, and now you will be able to download the pictures from Shein. Okay, now if you click right click, you will be able, you need to click on here and click on product main images, and as you can see, they are downloaded successfully. All the product main images has been downloaded. Now you can add these pictures manually in the product page. As you can see, if you click on add new, you can then start adding these product pictures, as you can see. Now after you add all these product pictures, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on save. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so click on save, and that's it. Okay, so that's exactly how you can import products from Shein to Shopify. But like I said, this is not an automated system. So if you want to make this automatic, so that you can like make the Importify ship the product automatically to the customer, you will have to pay $14. Okay, this is the app, it's called Importify. Okay, click on Shopify App Store, and as you can see, this is the app, it's called Importify. This is it. Okay, just download it and pay $14 and you can start using it. And also you can also watch this video to see as you can see. So that's the advantage of this app. Okay, so if this video guys helped you, if you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. Please drop a like and see you guys next video.